Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to discuss one more important question for any interview or for understanding the Java 8 logic, guys. So this question is usually this uh, very popular question, and also it's related to some of the previous question, guys. So and we can understand if the some previous questions. So this question also we can understand very easily, guys. But here we will use some extra functions for calculating the result. So this is the question, guys. Find the second, third, or fifth longest word from a given string. Find the second, third, or fifth longest word from a given string. Suppose we have a string str equal to hello genius developer, how are you? So in this we have to find the longest word, or second longest, third longest, or any on fifth longest word we have to find on this, guys. So I have implemented the logic, guys, using some logic here, but I will try to explain you in code ways, guys, properly. So here we have this string str equal to hello genius developer, how are you, guys? So first we have to count the each length of this word. In this string we have to count the each length of the word, and we are going to get one of the string, any like second highest like genius or third highest. So we are going to what we are going to return one string. So we have to take one string variable or string container to contain that result from my calculation or from our function what we will implement. So suppose we are going to get the second highest, guys. Suppose we are going to in the longest two. Okay, this is the second highest string we are getting. So here we will use the arrays. This is Java util class, guys. Arrays we will use stream method, and in stream we will use from string this split function, guys. So split will split this string into array of words, guys. So after getting the array of the words, now we will process this. Like it will convert into a string, but now we will process actually. So now we can use sorted. If sorted with comparator, we can use. So we are using directly. Suppose S1, S2. We are getting suppose two words. Hello genius. So we are comparing like S1, S2, and now we are comparing like S2 dot length minus S1 dot length. Now here we will get the first, find first dot get. Okay. So this will return actual the highest string, highest or longest string, guys. This will return the longest string. Okay. But we have to get the second highest or third highest, guys. Longest we don't have to get. Okay. We have to get the second or third or fifth also we can say. Let's run this logic, guys. It's working. So developer, see it is printing developer. Okay. So this is the longest string actually developer. But suppose we have to, but here my our question is we have to get the second highest or third highest. We have to get the second, third, or fifth highest word into this string. So for that we have to use some skip function, guys. So before she find first, it is returning the actual string. But before that, we have to use the skip function. Skip we can is can skip we can suppose if we are is giving one, so it will skip one word. After that, it will give the other words. Like find first, it will give the longest word, but it will skip one. So this is, let's see the output. See, this is giving genius. This is the second highest word, guys. This is the second highest word. Suppose we have to get third highest, right? So we will skip here two. If we will skip here two, then it will print the third highest, guys. It is printing the hello. Likewise, if we print here, suppose 4, so it is going to give us fifth highest, guys. Just 5, so R. It is going to give out the fifth highest. So using skip function, we will skip the previous. First, we have to yeah. First, we have to skip the highest one. Then we have to get the like next highest. So four highest we have skipped. Then fifth one we have got. So this is the one approach, guys. We can get the second highest, third highest, anyone, any. Usually interview asks different way of the question, but anyone we can get here, guys. So this was the one approach. Let us suppose we are going to use any other guys approach. Let's say string. Second approach, string as 5, suppose. Okay, longest 5. Okay, longest 5. So we are going to use arrays dot string. This function will be used as dot split. Okay. So let's here we will use, instead of sorted, we can use the, suppose, max. Max Max we will use the comparator, and comparator dot pose reverse order. Now here we will get, if here now we check, we will get the highest one. See, it will, we have split and we are comparing in reverse order as we are getting, and we are just here printing the get. So opinions in reverse order, so max it will give small, guys. I mean it usually it will return the this, guys, it will return the last like first one and last one from the string array. So this mean this, so I think there is some issue in this, guys. Using main, let's we will use suppose sorted. Sorted or reverse order we will use suppose skip. Okay, here we will use skip, suppose 4. Now we will get the first. We will use the get, guys. Okay. So let's run this one, longest five. See guys, longest five, this is giving the fifth one guys, because we have skipped four and now this is giving fifth one. But here we are using sorted and using comparator directly. We have done in reverse order and we have skipped four and we get the fifth one. Likewise, we can get the second. Suppose we want second or third, we can give one per second and we can get suppose the for, for the third highest. How then? So like this, we can get the like we can get the other also highest also we can get. Suppose yes we are sorting if this find first we will get the here computer dot reverse order and this will be the uh, let's say this is just using sorting. Okay, if we are skipping dot sorted reverse order find first. Okay guys, so dot comparator dot reverse order dot skip to find first. No, get okay. Now it is giving the genius. So like this by skip using skip guys we can get the second highest or third highest or fourth highest any word we can get into the string guys. So these are the two logic. Any logic we can use. We have to use carefully both the logic. We have to understand the both logic guys to explaining this logic guys. So I hope it is clear and still like if there is any here in this actually we can get some other functions also guys. I will clear this. Mm, let's see we will use operator dot directly if we use the sorter. Yes, dot sorter dot find first dot get. Let's see what will return this one. It is not going to return some string. It will oh no, suppose language. Anything given language here. Okay, so it is going to print the. Okay, it will going to get the first one, guys. It will because it will sort by default into uh, ascending order, so it will give the first one. But if we sort into the reverse order, guys, okay, calculator. So we will start it. Finish. So let's in this we will pass suppose as one. Okay, guys. So this was the by using skip we can get this logic will understand in some more ways. Like in some more in depth, we will understand this logic in a better way. So as of now, we have to understand this. Okay, this is the one two ways. But first focus on this way. This way also will understand in the proper way, guys. So that we can get like any like second, third, or fifth any word longest word we can get in any given string, guys. Hope it is clear. I will explain on this more on this in the coming videos, guys. Thanks you. Thanks for watching so far, guys.